So, good morning to all. Welcome to my channel. I am Deviram Mohan. Today we are going to study about area of circle. Okay. This is actually you want to only study about the area of circle formula, but I am going to how the formula is derived. That is also I am going to tell here. Okay. So this is from SCRT syllabus. They have how to derive the formula for the area of the circle. It is how. If you want anyone want to refer, you have to refer the book of SCRT book. Okay. So after the completion of this class, the learner will be able in recalling the formula while solving problem related to area of circle, understanding formula of deriving area of circle, creating idea related to problem in area of circle, explaining the concept of area of circle in their own words, solving problems related to area of circle, checking the correctness of the solution related to area of circle, developing skill in solving the problem related to area of the area of the circle. Okay, so tell some real life examples for the area of the circle. You know, no area, not area of the circle, real life example for circle. You can so you all of them know different types of bangle. So there are so many examples. Here I have given some round cake since Christmas is coming, right? So I have given a round cake. You know the Google Chrome model is also the shape of a circle. So you are all familiar with the circle now. But we want to find out the area of the circle. How we will find? But we only know about the area of the parallelogram. Okay, we only know about the area of. If you divide the circle into 4 portions, you will get what? Each part is 90 degree. Okay. So if you divide like this, you will get each part is 90 degree. If you divide the circle into like this form, can you divide? So you will get several portions, right? Okay. So if you there is a round cake. Okay. On the triangular form, we are dividing it. We are dividing the cake into a small piece, right? Okay. If you don't like cake, you can eat pizza, cheese, or anything in the circle form. You are dividing it into this portion. Okay. So and you have arranging this like this. One is on the top portion, another is on the bottom portion, like that you have arranging this. And so you will get like this. Since you only know about the area of the parallelogram, so you have already studied about in my previous videos, and you have already in the small or you have studied about the area of rectangle, area of parallelogram, like that, right? Okay, everything base into height is the area of the parallelogram. This you have know about the area of the parallelogram. From this concept, how we will derive the formula for area of circle? Let us imagine. It is little bit difficult, I know. So so you have we only know about the parallelogram. So for that only we are dividing like this triangle portions, and we are arranging this into the circle. So how many part here come? Look, this is the base into height is the parallelogram. So base, what is the base? Half of the perimeter of the circle, perimeter or circumference of the circle. So circumference means you know that. So half of the portion only arranging on the bottom portion, half is on the top portion, right? Like that, like this only arranging. So therefore, half of the portions we are arranging like this. So pi r is the base. And what is the radius? From here you can know about the radius, right? From here to here, what is the radius? It is the radius of the circle, right? From the circle portion we are dividing. Look, what will be this? This portion will be the radius. Look, this portion will be the radius, right? So radius, this portion is radius. So this is the radius and this is the base, pi r into r. So here, okay, area of the circle will be equal to the area of parallelogram. So since we on the circle we are arranging it, the circle is transformed here into the parallelogram. So circle we are arranging in the parallelogram form. Therefore area of circle will be equal to the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram will be equal to base into height. This we know that. We have studied about the formula. Area of rectangle, we know that length into breadth. Area of parallelogram is base into height. So We know that. Base of the parallelogram we are finding half of the circumference of the circle. Since whole circumference we are arranging like this. So half of the circumference of the circle will be the base. So half into 2 pi r. This 2 get cancelled, you got pi r. Here you got pi r and here you got. So base into height equal to pi r into r. So pi r square. So you got area of the circle is pi r square. Area of circle will be the product of pi and square of its radius. Area of circle equal to pi r square where r is the radius. Here capital letter I r represent means capital letter r equal to radius, like that represent. Small letter pi r square, like that also you can. So r equal to radius where r equal to radius. So area of the circle is pi r square. So let us do the problem. If the diameter of the circle is 14 centimeter, then what is the area of circle? So you know the formula for area of circle is pi r square. Diameter is 14 centimeter. So what is the radius? Radius will be 7. You know the value of pi. Pi will be equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Here what is at formula 22 by 7 will be, which is equal to which is very easy for calculate. So we can take the pi value as 22 by 7. So here area of the circle you got 154 centimeter square. Did everyone got the same answer? 154 centimeter square? Very good. That is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Radius is 14 means diameter is 14 means radius is 7. So pi r square. So 7 into 7. 22 by 7. 1 7 get cancelled. 22 into 7. 154 centimeter square. Then next problem. You have to solve. Solve by the homework problem. Find the area of the circle. And circumference of a circular tank is 21 centimeter. Find its area. A floral design in circular shape of radius is 21 centimeter to be painted. If the cost of painting is 10 rupees per centimeter, find the total cost. We have already studied about the cost problem on the earlier sections and video on the linear equation like that, right? So refer that for solving the problem. So it will be very useful. This is the homework question for you. So wish you all happy Christmas. Have a nice day. So wish you all a happy Christmas.